Hello everyone, welcome to the Study Hacks Institute of GIS and Remote Sensing. Today I will try to discuss a very important topic, mainly image collection, how we can easily filter using worldwide reference system, path and rows. So let's go practical example. I will show you all of those things one step by step. So first of all, you can simply click on the browse data catalog and find out your data. I want to work with the land set, so click on the land set, and here I can get all of those land set image collections such as land set 9, land set 8, 7, 5, 4, 1 to 5. All of those things I can easily get from here. So I want to work with the land set 8, so just click on here, and I want to work for the top of atmospheric image collection. So here I can get all of those image collection between this time period, and you can see this data is provided to the USGS Google, and you can see the it's a artisan snippet. So basically it's a unique ID of this data set. I simply copy this unique ID from here and then paste in my editor. Further, I just give a name about my data set. You can put any name. I just give a name, suppose collection. So now this is my full image collection. It is stored in this variable collection. So now further, I want to filter this image collection using worldwide reference system. So how I can do that? So for that, I just simply use a function filter. And how I can filter? I want to filter art engine filter dot equal. So now arise the question, what's equal what? Mainly in this time in here, we are using here the path and row. So in this time, you can simply put here that WRS worldwide reference system, then put here that path, and then simply put your path value. So in this time, you can easily you can see this is the link about that. So from this link, for the worldwide reference system, you can easily get the path and row value. So for that, simply click on here. You can see, just double click. It automatically show you what is the path for these tiles. Here we can get the path value is the 138 and row value is the 42. So in this time I just simply put here suppose 138, it's my path, and further I just take the another, so just use here the filter art engine dot filter equal. Now put here worldwide reference system row. Mainly just put here that row. Then simply put here the row value. And here you can see in this time this row value is the 42. So just I put here that 42. Okay. So now I select my specific tiles using worldwide reference system path and row. Further, I just simply choose my specific cloud scene. Suppose I put here the filter, and I use here that suppose art engine dot filter less than LT means less than, and I put here that suppose cloud cover, and then put here that suppose 1. Okay. And further, if you want, you can also put here the specific time period, suppose filter date, and put this time period suppose year of 2020, 1st January from 2020, suppose December 31. This is my time period. So now I want to find out this collection. I want to display on my map. So map dot add layer and call this collection, copy and paste. And further, I also need to focus on this collection. Use here map dot center object this collection, suppose zoom level 5, and click on. So now it display this result. Here you can see it show these tiles. So now it shows as a default color. Suppose I want to show as a true color composite. So just put here the red band, then green band, and blue band, and further custom stress 98%, and then apply. So now you can see here it loaded these tiles. We can get the true color composite, and for this path and row. So just I simply import that. So now it's set with my code, and further I simply paste the variable name in after our object name. So now it's set it. So now you can see here we can easily get this specific path and row, mainly worldwide reference system we are used, and get these tiles. Not only for that, suppose you want to need the another tiles. Suppose you don't know what is the tiles number for this study area. So just simply click on here, double click. You can see now you can get this study area path and row 136 and 43. So just you put the value 136, and row value 43. So just put here that 43, and now click run. So now you can get this tiles from my study area. You can see it show. So now further, if you want, you can also download these tiles as a raster or TIFF format. All of those band, red, green, blue, near infrared, short wave infrared, short wave infrared 2, all of those band which are available. You can easily download, and you can also work with your other geospatial software, just ArcMap or QGIS, anything. So from here you can easily check your what is the value about that any specific tiles, path and row. Further you are just use it, and then use this path value and row value, and you can easily filter your image collection by using path and row. Suppose you can see this path is the 137 and 44. Just I simply put here the 137 and 44. So now click run. So in this time we can get this path. You can see we can get this path. Okay. So now further you can use it download. If you want, you can also use here the other band. Suppose I want to use the false color composite. So suppose use here the near infrared, then red, and blue. So now custom says 90%, and then further apply. So now you can get this is the tiles about that. And further, if you want to check about the more information about this your collection, so just use here the print and call this all of those things. Here you can see. Here I can get only this is the collection between this time period. You can also check about the acquisition time period from here. You can see for this tiles we can get the image for year of 2020, 26 January. Then we can also get the 11th February, 30 March, and 27 December. We can get the 9th November. So basically all of those images only for these tiles, because here I mentioned about that specific world reference system path 137 and world reference system row 44. So all of those images including these tiles, but it's the different time because I put here this time period, and in this time period we can find out for these tiles total 5 images. Okay, so if you want, you can also use the single image using their unique ID. You can see this is the ID. This ID you can also use, and then also get the for a specific time period or single date time period image and use it. Okay, so today is no more. If you want get the more interesting video from my YouTube channel, just simply subscribe my YouTube channel, and then you can also put on your notification bell, press, and then when you I upload any update video, you can easily get it from my YouTube channel. Okay, and in the meantime I also give you an announcement for our upcoming online training program. Mainly this class will be start from the 16th February. Okay, and you can easily get all of this information in the video description. If you want to join this online training program, you can just simply contact in this WhatsApp number. Also contact with this email. Then you can simply book your seat and join in my live training session. Okay, so today is no more. Thank you for watching that.